I will show you how to get the best peace of mind for your home. Carbon monoxide is a silent threat, but you can protect your family with a few simple steps. Common sources in your home include faulty furnaces, gas stoves, water heaters, fireplaces, and even attached garages. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning can mimic the flu, headaches, dizziness, nausea, and fatigue. To protect your family, install carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home, especially near bedrooms. Test these detectors regularly. Have your heating system and other fuel-burning appliances inspected and serviced annually by a qualified technician. Never run vehicles in an enclosed space like a garage, even with the door open. Always ensure proper ventilation when using any fuel-burning appliances. By taking these simple precautions, you can protect your family from the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning and create a safer home environment. For more home safety tips, subscribe, like this video, share it, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Let's make our homes a haven of peace and security.